Hello friends! I just wanted to show you my Amoy Candle Co. stash. Amoy Candle Co. is Filipino-inspired candles and fragrances to evoke nostalgia and comfort, which is so true. When I was picking the scents that I wanted, pinipili ko pa lang yung scents, nakakasenti na siya. So, she sent me some of the items here and I also bought the rest to try out. Let's try the room spray mist. I have here Kaping Barako. I've always said this, I love the flavor and the scent of coffee, but I don't drink coffee. So I'm pretty sure magugustuhan ko to. Amoy ano siya. Ang bango. Oh my gosh! Amoy kape nga! I love this! We have here Kawayan. I always love bamboo scents sa mga diffuser. Grabe, ang bango ng coffee. This smells so parang fresh and nakaka-relax siya. Very relaxing yung scent. Kawayan. And we have here Tagaytay. So there's reason why pinili ko yung mga scents that I have here. Tagaytay is where we got married. So I'm very curious what it smells like. Oh, what? That scent. In fairness, I'm amazed because it does smell like Tagaytay for some reason. Like, I don't know how to explain it, pero it does smell like it. Like, it reminds you of Tagaytay, or it reminds me of Tagaytay. Man. Kinikilig ako kasi wedding namin dyan eh. Okay, let's move on. These two, I think this one she gave me to try out. And this is the car diffuser. Oh my goodness, how cute! Ang cute. This is ube cake. Ang bango. Ang bango. It smells like dessert. I mean, it is ube cake. So, I'll put this in the car. Ang cute naman. And then we have Sagot Gulaman. Hi. Nahahappy ako. Ang bango lahat. I love it. Maybe I can combine these two. Like drink and dessert. So now we move on to the candles. Follow for part 2.